here's something exciting. The E-Nook from EcoChalet Homes is officially available now. This compact 161 square foot home is designed to feel anything but small. Inside, every detail is thoughtfully crafted. You'll see the open concept layout taking shape, with plenty of room for a comfortable bed, a dedicated workspace, or a cozy lounge area. And those soaring 14-foot cathedral ceilings create an incredible sense of space and light, transforming this tiny footprint into a bright, airy, and uplifting retreat. With full heating and cooling, an optional loft, and smart features, the E-Nook is perfect as a backyard office, guest cabin, creative studio, or peaceful personal escape. It arrives as a flat-pack kit and assembles quickly on site. Watch as our team carefully installs the sleek aluminum paneling on the exterior. These durable, modern panels not only protect against Canada's harsh weather, but they also give the E-Nook its clean, contemporary look that stands out beautifully in any backyard or cottage setting. What makes the E-Nook truly mind-blowing is how much intelligence is packed into such a small footprint. The lightweight aluminum paneling not only withstands Canada's extreme weather, but also makes the entire structure incredibly easy and fast to assemble. Those dramatic 14-foot cathedral ceilings create natural air circulation that helps regulate temperature year-round, significantly lowering energy bills. Thanks to 3D precision manufacturing, every component fits with millimeter accuracy, delivering superior insulation and a surprisingly quiet, peaceful interior. Most people are shocked at how luxurious and spacious it feels the moment they step inside. Built in just weeks, not months, the E-Nook is ready for you today. Elevate your living with EcoChalet Homes. Visit ecochalet.ca to learn more and get started.